Namaste guys, this is Ashmita from artsandcraft.blogspot.in, and I have another fun little project to share with you. And I said little, but it isn't little, it is huge. It is an A4 album, and I do have to add a ton of pictures in here before it's off on its way, but I wanted to do a quick video of it because I'm not sure if the client will be happy with me sharing their private photos and things like that. So here it is, and you can see the frame is moving about because I don't have it stuck on there because a picture is going to go behind that frame. And I did make this frame out of chipboard, and I added some lovely metal embellishments, and that's what the cover looks like. And I thought it's turned out really very beautiful. I used the Prima Stationer's Desk collection, and I think it's practically vintage, this collection. It is so beautiful, and this is my first mini album with this collection, and I hope to make a couple, if not couple, at least a couple of 2-3 more out of this collection. So here it is, and it's pretty blank for now because I'll be adding all the pictures and tags, and I didn't do much, and I'm just going to get rid of my frame here. So this is a large pocket, and the brief was to have a lot of pockets for cards and memorabilia. So that's how it is. You have a large space here for adding and tucking things in. And on here I have this flap that flips over, and then you have this really large space. And ignore that mess, this is just glue. I almost glued a picture on, and then I remembered I hadn't done the video, so that's going to get covered up. I'm not too happy about it, but the picture fits on it, so that's okay. So you have a ton of room for photographs here, and I really wish I could show you with the photos on, but I'm not really sure how they will react to that. So you have this flap here that pulls up, and the tags are out of here because I do have the photos on them already, so it doesn't have the tags here, but that's how it is. It's got some picture photo mats in there, and then here you have a lovely waterfall feature that closes with a buckle and more room for photos, and I'll be adding pictures here as well. And that closes, and this one here is like a file folder, and like I said, they wanted a lot of room for photos, so I do have all these spaces for photos, and it says down there documented, and I really love how this turned out. So here I have a magnetic tab that swivels, and it opens up, and it's a gatefold page, and you have a large space and space here for photos, and you have a large pocket to add more things into it, some more cards, and this swivels right back, and that closes up. And then again you have a large space for photos, and I will be doing that, and another large area for photos and some tuck spaces. And I just love this collection. I say that about all the Prima collections, but how beautiful is this paper? So here again you have an element like this. You have a tuck spot, and then this flips up, and you have lots of places for photos, and then this flips out, and I have a feeling that I don't have my paper on there, but this flips out. So that's how it flips up, and it's blank because I'm going to be adding a large photo there. So again you have a large pocket here and a little tag down there, and some journaling cards, and this one I think I turned it into a card, so you have that there. And this one says noted. Love, love, love this paper. Here again I have, like I said, they wanted a lot of places to tuck things in, probably gift cards, certificates, and wishing cards or whatnot, so I gave them a lot of room to tuck things in rather than plain areas to stick photos down. So this was an ideal card album, excuse me, for storing memories in an I like to say, in a mobile fashion, where you can actually move them out and switch them out. So here again you have a large flip up like so, and I don't even know how much of it I'm getting in frame. And then this one here is going to flip down. How lovely is this paper? So, and behind here, of course, you do have another spot to tuck large cards. And here again you have a waterfall, and again lots of pieces, and a few of these papers are not from the collection because I had really run out of paper. I believe this is from the Time Traveler, this is from the Butterfly, and this is from the Time Traveler as well. This is what I had lying about on my desk, and it just went with the paper, so I just threw them on there. And here you have a large pocket for lots of photos, and you could add a photo here, and you can tuck things behind that as well. And on the back here again I have a large pocket and a little tuck spot. So that's it, and that's the back, and it has my sticker and logo on there. So I hope you guys like this album, and I'm really sorry this messed up this way because I do intend to put the frame back on, and that's how it is. And the minute I stop shooting, I'm going to be adding pictures on here. So thanks again for visiting, and don't forget to press that red subscribe button down there, and do leave a comment if you like my work, and if you have any wishes or videos that you would want me to work on, I'd be happy to do so. Thank you so much. Bye bye.